Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's start the video. How much do Amazon affiliate market pays? Okay, on 100 to $25,000. How much can expect Amazon affiliates? You can make from 100 to 25,000 from Amazon affiliate websites. Can I start Amazon affiliate marketing? Amazon Associate is a affiliate marketing program that allows to websites key owner to blogger to create a link and earn referral fee, and when the customer click through the buy the products from the Amazon, it completely free to join and easy to use. What is Amazon affiliate marketing? The Amazon affiliate program is associate Amazon marketing program that free from the websites owner and bloggers to become Amazon associate. They advertise products and Amazon.com on their sites by creating a link. When customer click the link and buy the products from Amazon, they earn referral fee. Does Amazon affiliate paid for click? Sadly, no. Amazon Associate is not pay-per-click type of affiliate program. In affiliate program, which is where to will only pay, only get paid whenever you can generate a sale. The commission differ long lead depending on the type of the product you use it to end up the buying. How can I start the Amazon marketing with no money? Decide a platform, choose your niches, find a affiliate program to join, create great content, drive traffic on the affiliate sites, get click on your side link, convert click to sale. Which is the best for affiliate program? Reseller Club is the one of the largest reseller hosting companies in India. Flip Car affiliate, Amazon associate, V-commerce big crop affiliate, DGC India, Vitra, and Amdid. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks.